Okay, Matthew, so we're going to continue talking about the type of lines. So here they're giving us example of parallel lines, and parallel lines, if you remember, will never touch. Never. They can be next to each other, but they will never touch. However, perpendicular, they will cross each other, they will touch, but remember, perpendicular lines have right angles, so we can create a right angle if they are perpendicular lines. If we cannot create a right angle, however they're still touching, that means they're intersecting. Remember, we can try to make the little square to see if we make a right angle. If it makes a right angle, it is perpendicular. But if it does not and they're crossed, that they're touching, that is an intersecting line. So now we're going to work on the worksheet. It is this one. It is called Label Each. Well, it doesn't have a name. Or does it? No, yes it does. It is called Simple Parallel, Perpendicular, and Intersecting Lines, Math Worksheet number 2. So let's find this worksheet. If you do not have it, it is okay. Just you can number each box. So for example, this could be number 1, this can be number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and just write down the answer. So this is the worksheet, Matthew. And like I said, you can just write down the answers if you do not have access to this worksheet. Do not worry at all. I will be doing 2 with you, and then you can do the rest on your own. So I will be doing number 1 with you, and by looking at the picture, can you tell me if this is parallel, perpendicular, or an intersecting line? Yes, Matthew, you're correct. This is a perpendicular line. Because you right here can see they can make a right angle. It already comes with it, so you don't have to worry about it. But you can see here, this is a perpendicular line. Now I'm going to do another one with you. I'm going to do this one right here, the next one. And what line does this look like, Matthew? Yes, this is an intersecting line because you cannot create a right angle. And you can see they already put it up for you. So here you can see it does not have one. So that should tell you it's an intersecting. But even if they hadn't put it, it's really hard to do a right angle here. It is too wide. So it would be really big. And here it's too small. So there is no way we could do a right angle. So this is intersecting. So just continue doing the rest on your own. If you have any questions or need help at all, please just let me know or let any of the teachers know. We're here to help, Matthew. I hope you have a good day. Bye.